Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday, Ate Minda, from the Ryan family. Woo! Hindi mo kasi kami in-invite. Sana naandyan kami to celebrate it with you. Love you!
Happy birthday to myself, Ate Minda, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Minda. We love you.
Mama.
Mwah, chup chup, love love. Closer. Heart heart. Glory to God.
Happy birthday, Timinda. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. Love you. Happy birthday, Minda.
Hello, Canada! Happy birthday, Minda! God bless you always and more birthday to come. Dahil love kita, may pinagawa ko para sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo. Again, happy birthday and I love you all. Bye!
Hi, Timin. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. And wish you happiness ever. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Minda. Love you, Mama Chup Chup. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Timin.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, Lola Minda. Happy birthday.
You sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama Minda. May you have many more birthdays to come, more glorious years to look on to.
Happy 80th birthday, Auntie Minda. Good luck po and many more birthdays to come.
Hope to see you soon.
Yes.
Hi Tia Minda, happy 80th birthday po. On this special day of yours, I wish na i-enjoy niyo po ito kasama yung family and friends niyo. And yeah, happy birthday all the way from Philippines. Anak po ako ni Lee. If you do not know me, I'm Sia. And I hope to meet you soon. So ayun po, wishing you all the good health and long life. And yun, enjoy your day po and hope to meet you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola Minda. I wish you good health and long life. Take care.
Happy birthday, Tita Minda. Wishing you a year filled with blessings.
Hello, Chaminda. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello po, Tia. Happy birthday po. Enjoy nyo lang po birthday nyo. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi Lola Minda, ako po si Irene. Ito po ang panganay ko si Peanut. Asawa ko po si Randy at bunso ko po si Bambam. Happy birthday po and we wish you good health, blessed day and more to come. Happy birthday po. Uwi po kayo. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola Minda!
Lola Minda, more birthday to come. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless. We love you, Lola Minda!
Happy birthday po, Lola Minda. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Lola Minda. We wish you to have more birthday to come and I hope you enjoy your day. We love you so much. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Lola Minda!
More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, Grandma Tia Minda.
Hi, Tia Minda. Happy birthday. Hope you're good. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Minda. May you have more blessings to come and God bless.
Hi Tia! Happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best and ingat po kayo dyan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Camila!
Love you.
Mika!
Happy birthday, Lola Minda. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tia Minda.
Tia, happy birthday.
Wishing you good health and happiness. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Tia Minda.
Tia Minda.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Tia Minda!
Okay, bye-bye.
So kami po yung 2 out of 3 sa anak na babae ni Mommy. Mas maganda po kami sa panganay.
Ako original Tia Minda.
Yun lang po.
Ako pa rin ang pinakamaganda mong pamangkin. Walang ko-kontra.
Yan lang po. Happy
Tia,
birthday!
happy birthday! Love you!
Ingat po. Uwi ka na po ulit.
Hi, Chaminda. It's me, Sandy, ang bunsong anak ni Tony. I just wanna greet you happy 80th birthday. Wish ko lang na sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan. Just enjoy your day and live your life to the fullest. I love you, Tia. Ingat.
Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy birthday, Auntie Minda.
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday. Stay safe and have a blast on your special day.
Hello, Tia! Happy birthday! Ingat po kayo palagi. Sana makarating ka dito sa Italia.
Tia, happy birthday and many more birthday to come.
Hi, Tita Minda. I heard it's your birthday. I guess this is a belated birthday now. I just saw what Eva's texted to me just today. So, pasensya na po. Hindi ko nakita agad yung message. Eva, pasensya na. Anyway, this is still gonna be add for your memory. Happy birthday, Tita Minda. And I miss you guys, you and Tita Josie. Pasensya na, hindi ako nakauwi according to plan kasi like right now, tugad na magulan, no? Ang pangit ng panahon. I have a lot of things that I need to be done over here. But uuwi po ako sa September. You guys will see me on September and I'll be staying there for a while. Anyway, again, best wishes sa mga dalaga natin. And yeah, I'm excited to see you. More blessings, more birthday to come, and wish you all the best in life, wealth and health. Okay? Yung mga utang na yan, pabayaan na yan. Anyway, happy birthday again, Tita. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Minda. Kailan tayo ulit magkikita? Baka mauli na ang lahat.
Bingi na ako. Hindi na ako makakapagsitong matagal. Natapagod ako. Ikaw, malakas pa. Nakakasigaw pa. Ako hindi nakasigaw eh. Ano? Uy, may padaw ka naman. Dadawin mo naman ako. Ikaw malakas. Kaya mo pa magbiyahe. Ha? Tayo na nga lang dalawa. Ikaw malakas. Ako mahina. Kaya, ikaw na lang ang punta rito. Dalawin mo ako. Happy birthday ulit! Sana'y buting pa ang marami ang birthday. Love you.
Ay, Susan! Kumusta, San? Ay, Susan din! Ay, Susan din!
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Maninilira ko.
Pong, say happy birthday!
Birthday, Lola.
You have your...
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Yeah, all is there.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Baka nakikita ka nung susurprise mo. Ba't nag-live ka na?
Hindi po ako nagla-live.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday means...
Pakilala mo si mga pamangkin ni Mama.
Ito po, Tia Minda, ang bunga ng inyong magagandang lahi. Ayan.
Watch it.
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.